Welcome back to Projects, and today we're going to carry on fixing the Suzuki, the new one that we got in the other day. So let's have a walk around. I have done some extra bits on this now. I've now pulled it out of the unit. There, that's the interior, and that's the rear end. So what I've done is I've pulled that out, I heated it up and pulled that out, so that's now not rubbing, nothing's rubbing on the tyres anywhere. I've straightened some of these cramps out. I've obviously ordered a new crash bar which should be coming this week, and I've got a tray there for putting all the items that I pull off of it, so it's easy to put back together. There's a few seams here that need doing, which I will do, and I've also started pushing out the dents on the bumper, like so, but it's looking a bit of a mess, as in dirty. So what I'm going to do is do that window up and then give it a good clean, and let's see how it looks after the clean. Okay, so now we've done it clean. So I've just found some little specks on there. I'll just get some touch up for those. A few little dents in the bonnet, you can probably see in the light, so I'll pull those out. The bumper needs to be snapped back in the front. There's the dent there. Should be able to pull that out with the PDR. So that's okay. I'll pull these dents out of the bonnet, hopefully with a plunger sort of technique. I'm going to try and fix one of the lights, save me buying two. And this side's pretty much okay. It's just the sticky material on there I'll use a heat gun to get off. But apart from the rear, and there's the front bumper that needs to be snapped back in. They normally just clip, pull it down and clip it up. Should fit together okay, but the front's okay for little scratches here and there, but nothing major. The wheels do need a bit of tidying up. There's a few scuffs on there, so what I'll do is I'll take one off at a time, sand that down and clean it up and fill. Same with that one, just around the edges really. That one's got a few scuffs, maybe just needs a sand down, maybe that area just needs filling. That should be okay, and then the same with this one, a few scuffs on that one. It'd be nice to just tidy them up a bit. They're quite nice. So yeah, that's the next job that needs doing.